Bollywood's newest rising star, Aneet Padda, was spotted in Mumbai's Bandra, and her casual yet chic look quickly caught everyone's attention. Though Aneet seemed shy and avoided posing for the cameras, she did give a sweet little wave to the paparazzi before stepping into her car. And of course, fans online couldn't get enough of her. Many called her a natural beauty, with one person even saying, "I really like the way she repeats her clothes." For this outing, Aneet kept her style super simple. She wore a beige spaghetti strap tank top paired with earthy-toned cargo pants. The relaxed fit gave off a cool, sporty vibe, while the neutral colors made the outfit feel calm and classy. It's also worth noting she's worn this look before, and that just shows how she values comfort over constantly chasing new trends. Her hair was open and slightly tousled, and she rocked a fresh-faced, no-makeup look, proving again that less is more. She was holding just her phone, with no flashy accessories, keeping it real, grounded, and totally relatable. Aneet is currently enjoying the success of her debut Bollywood film, Sayyara, where she starred alongside Ahan Pandey. Before that, many viewers discovered her in Big Girls Don't Cry, where she played Ruhi, sharing the screen with Pooja Bhatt. And recently, she reunited with her Big Girls Don't Cry co-star, Tenzin Lakela, during a trip to Nepal. Their adorable reunion pics went viral, showing them hugging at the Buddha Stupa in Kathmandu and having fun during karaoke nights. Lakela shared the moments with the caption, "Special one at Aneet Padda_. No words, only love for this star. Also, I made her trip 100% worth it, I promise." With her laid-back style, humble attitude, and back-to-back hits, Aneet Padda is clearly a star to watch. And if this is just the beginning, we can't wait to see what's next for her. Remember the Wink girl who became an overnight sensation? Yes, we are talking about Priya Prakash Varier, also called the National Crush, after her wink in the 2019 Malayalam film Oru Adar Love went viral. But now, fans are shocked to see her in a non-speaking background role in the new Bollywood rom-com Param Sundari, starring Siddharth Malhotra and Janhavi Kapoor. In a video that's now circulating on Instagram and X, Priya is seen dressed in a red and white sari, quietly walking in the crowd behind Siddharth in one particular scene. There's no dialogue, no big moment, just a silent walk in the background. Naturally, fans had a lot to say. One fan wrote, "I wonder how no one noticed this. I thought only I noticed, but I'm glad someone at least did." Some people questioned why a Malayali actor like Priya was cast as just an extra in a film set in Kerala. Others wondered if she originally had a bigger role that got cut during editing. One person commented, "Editing can be ruthless, and character cuts are common. Only the bitter take pleasure in someone else's bad face." Another fan expressed disappointment, writing, "She deserves better." From viral sensation to background, some even felt she was better suited for the lead role. She would have been better for taking up Janhavi Kapoor's role. And another agreed, should have cast her instead of Janhavi. Tushar Jalota's Param Sundari features Siddharth as Param Sachdev, and Janhavi plays a Malayali character named Thekkepattu Sundari Damodaran Pillai. Priya made her debut with Oru Adar Love, and after going viral, she acted in Telugu and Malayalam films. In 2023, she made her Hindi debut with Yarya 2. Recently, she appeared in Ajit Kumar's Tamil film Good Bad Ugly, and she's all set to appear into upcoming Hindi films Three Monkeys and Love Hackers. Even though this recent role surprised her fans, it's clear that Priya Prakash Varier still holds a special place in people's hearts. Whether in the spotlight or just passing by on screen, the Wink girl is hard to miss. Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty and her husband Raj Kundra are facing serious controversy. They've been accused in a 60 crore rupees fraud case involving a loan-cum-investment deal that reportedly took place between 2015 and 2023. And now, in the middle of this legal storm, Shilpa Shetty has announced the shutdown of her Mumbai restaurant. In an emotional note shared on social media, Shilpa wrote, "This Thursday marks the end of an era as we bid farewell to one of Mumbai's most iconic destinations, Bastian Bandra, a venue that gave us countless memories, unforgettable nights, and moments that shaped the city's nightlife now takes its final bow." Co-owned by Shilpa Shetty and restaurateur Ranjit Bindra, the restaurant first launched in 2016 and quickly became one of Mumbai's hottest spots for food, nightlife, and celebrity gatherings. In 2023, it found a new home in Bandra, where it continued to attract the city's elite crowd. Shilpa added, "To honor this legendary space, we are curating a very special evening for our closest patrons, a night filled with nostalgia, energy, and magic, celebrating everything Bastian has stood for one last time." She also reassured fans that while the restaurant is shutting down, the experience will continue elsewhere. While we say goodbye to Bastian Bandra, our Thursday night ritual Arcane Affair will continue next week at Bastian at the Top, carrying forward the legacy in a brand new chapter with brand new experiences. Meanwhile, the controversy continues. According to reports, Mumbai businessman Deepak Kothari has filed a fraud case against Shilpa and Raj. He alleges they defrauded him of over 60 crore rupees through a loan and investment scheme tied to their now-defunct company, Best Deal TV PVT Ltd. As legal troubles grow, the closing of the iconic restaurant marks a big shift in Shilpa Shetty's public life, the end of an era, both personally and professionally. Bollywood's next-gen star, Ahaan Pandey, is once again making waves on social media. His latest monochrome photoshoot has caught everyone's eye, showcasing a moody and artistic side of the young talent. Even his mother, Bhavna Pandey, couldn't resist dropping a heart emoji on the post, a sweet gesture fans quickly noticed. In the first shot, Ahaan sits in a minimalist setting, dressed in a black top and jeans. His body is angled sideways, his face partly hidden, with curls falling naturally over his forehead. The second frame brings us closer. His piercing eyes hold an almost vulnerable, mysterious expression. In the third image, shadows sharpen his jawline, giving him a striking, cinematic edge. The fourth shot captures a contemplative mood as his gaze drops downward, quiet and melancholic. And finally, the fifth photo highlights his serene profile, curls and textures adding depth to the reflective pose. Together, the series paints Ahaan in a brooding, introspective light, minimalist, yet powerful. Ahaan captioned the set with the cryptic line, "Wake up, it's 12 is to 06. Playful or thoughtful, the mystery only adds to the allure. But this isn't just a style statement, it also comes at the right time. Ahaan has officially arrived on the big screen with his debut film, Sayara. Directed by Mohit Suri and produced by Yash Raj Films, the movie released on 18 July 2025 and quickly turned into a runaway success. Alongside him is Aneet Padd, who plays Vani, an aspiring lyricist facing emotional turmoil. Her story, balancing college in Delhi with auditions, makes her breakout performance even more inspiring. Both Ahaan and Aneet have been praised not only for their performances but also for their humility and professionalism. Their chemistry shines, especially in soulful tracks like Barbad and Dhun. As Sayara continues its theatrical run and gears up for OTT release, Ahan's quiet yet compelling photoshoot and that cryptic caption stand as a stylish reminder a rising star is here, charting his own path. Sobhita Dhulipala, one of the most talented actresses in the industry, is not just brilliant on screen, she's also a great cook. Recently, the Made in Heaven star shared some adorable moments from the sets of her new project, showing off her cooking skills. In her latest social media post, Sobhita was seen happily stirring dal and vegetables in a huge pot. She wore a casual outfit and smiled candidly at the camera while cooking. Though she didn't add a caption, her hashtags hinted that she was busy on the sets of her upcoming project. In the next slide, the actress shared a video where she tasted the dal, adding finely chopped vegetables to the big pot. It was clear she knows her way around the kitchen. Sobhita also showed her goofy side. In a fun moment, she picked up a coconut and pretended to throw it at the camera, bringing a light and playful vibe to the post. And the cooking didn't stop there. The very next day, dressed casually in a blue shirt and red pants, she cooked again for the cast and crew. This time, she sat down with a grindstone, making a dip or chutney and chopping fresh vegetables. The post caught the attention of her husband, Naga Chaitanya Akkineni, who left the cutest comment, waiting to get a taste of these skills. Sobhita and Chaitanya tied the knot in 2024 after dating for a few years. The couple often shares their sweet and love-filled moments on social media, much to the delight of their fans. From acting to cooking, Sobhita Dhulipala is truly talented in many ways, and her fans can't wait to see what she cooks up next, both on screen and off.